Picture yourself in the 2024 Ram 2500. The Ram 2500 delivers heavy-duty capability, sophisticated style, rugged strength, and technology that keeps you safe and connected. These are just some of the great options this vehicle comes with: heated steering wheel, Apple CarPlay and/or Android Auto, touchscreen infotainment system, navigation system, keyless entry, heated mirrors, bed liner, keyless start, backup camera, satellite radio. Don't take risks in a truck that's not up to the task. Get the Ram 2500 and power up.